Hello everyone. I welcome you all for today's session. In this session, I am going to discuss about Vickers hardness test. Before starting today's experiment, I express my sincere thanks to Virtual Lab developed by Ministry of Education under the National Mission on Education through ICT, and also a sincere thanks to NITK, ITs and NITs. Now we will start today's experiment through Virtual Lab. The name of the today's experiment is Vickers hardness test. The objective of this test is to determine the indentation hardness of mild steel, brass, aluminum, etc. using Vickers hardness testing machine. Now, before starting the test, let us finalize the specimen what we are using in this test. In this experiment, I will show you how to calculate Vickers hardness number for aluminum material. If you are using a aluminum specimen, you need to apply a load of 10 kg. If you are using a brass specimen, you have to apply a load of 20 kg. And if you are using a mild steel, you have to apply a load of 30 kg. But in this experiment, I am using aluminum. Hence, I will apply a load of 10 kg. And also remember, in Vickers hardness test, type of indenter used is diamond cone indenter with square based pyramid shape. Okay. Now you just revolve this hand wheel to touch specimen with the indenter and move on to the next step. Here you just adjust the load to 10 kg for aluminum specimen by using a knob arrangement and move on to the next step. Now you have to apply a load for about 10 to 15 seconds. You adjust it here now. So the load to be applied for a period of around 10 to 15 seconds. So I adjusted now. Now I will move on to the next step. In the next step, apply the selected load by pressing the green button for 2 to 3 seconds until the red light glows. So I just applied a green button. Now I will move on to the next step. In the next step, using microscope, you just measure the impression formed on the specimen. So here we can see indentation diagonal length in the x direction is around 0.361 mm. See it for the vertical distance or vertical impression. It is around, yes, it is around 0.362 mm. Now specimen used is aluminum, load applied is 10 kg and the average diagonal length will be around 0.3615. Vickers hardness number can be calculated by using the formula 0.8191 f divided by d square and the value is equal to 141.87. The same steps can be do for the trial number 2. So adjust the hand wheel to touch specimen with the indenter. Go to the next step. In the next step, adjust the load to 10 kg for aluminum material. So it has been adjusted to 10 kg. Now you set the time, that means apply the load for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then move on to the next step. In the next step, you apply the selected load for about 2 to 3 seconds by switching the green button. So I had applied. By using the microscope, now measure the indentation diagonally. First in the x direction, that is equal to 0.362 mm. Next measure in the vertical direction. Again that is equal to 0.362 mm. And take the average in the next step, that is equal to 0.362 mm. And finally you take the average of trial number 1 and trial number 2, that is equal to 141.68. This is called as average Vickers hardness number, and this is how you need to perform Vickers hardness test. Thank you guys. We will meet in the next session with another experiment.